If you need to resize an image in Photoshop quickly and properly, this video will walk you through the easiest method step by step. Whether you're adjusting an image for social media, a thumbnail, a banner, or just cleaning up your design, learning how to resize the right way can save you a lot of time and help keep your project looking professional. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Photoshop tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open your Photoshop project and look over to the Layers panel. This is where all of the different parts of your design are listed. Click on the layer that contains the image you want to change. This step is important because Photoshop only resizes the layer that is currently selected. If you choose the wrong layer, you may end up resizing the wrong object, so take a second to make sure the correct image layer is highlighted. Once your image layer is selected, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and T on Windows or Command and T on Mac. This activates Free Transform, which is the tool Photoshop uses to resize and adjust objects on the canvas. As soon as you press it, you'll see a box appear around your image with corner handles. These handles are what you use to scale the image up or down. Now move your mouse to any corner handle and click and drag inward to make the image smaller or outward to make it larger. If you want to keep the image looking proportional, focus on dragging from the corners rather than the side edges. That helps prevent your image from getting stretched or warped. As you resize, you can keep adjusting until the image looks exactly how you want it on the canvas. If you need to reposition it a little, you can also move it around while Free Transform is active. Take your time here and make sure the sizing fits your layout, because even a small adjustment can make a big difference in the final design. When you're happy with the size, press Enter on Windows or Return on Mac to lock in the change. That confirms the resize and applies it to the selected layer. Your image will now stay at the new size, and you can continue editing the rest of your project. And that's how to resize an image in Photoshop in just a few simple steps. It's one of the most useful basics to learn, especially if you're new to Photoshop, because it comes up in almost every design workflow. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.